Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn one of the important feature you might need, that is learning to display something like a title in all the pages. So if I just go to home page here, you won't see any kind of title here. So if I just close all those things and see, there is localhost 3000, but I want to display something nice title. If we are in HTML, then we could have used something like a head tag and we could have like put a title in there. But in Vue.js, there is one simple method which we can use, using which we'll be able to display head. So that would be again script setup we need to have, and after that use head, and inside use head we can put something like a title, and inside this particular title we can put home page, and if I save it and go here, it will display home page. So if I go to about page, here we can change something like use head, same way, and here we can change it to title about page. So as you can see, we can change the title of about page, and if I go to home page, it displays home page. So this is very useful feature. Use head, not only we can just add a title. If you want to add some script tag, you can do that also here. You can add something like a main.js or whatever the Google Analytics or something like that JS file which you might have to include. You can include in this particular thing. And also there are like lots of other options, like something like meta, and inside this meta we can do something like name can be something like okay, I can have to put comma. So here name we can do something like description, name as description, and content can be something like this website is about Nuxt.js. So if you add something like this, then search engine can pick this particular thing. So if I just right click and show you in the head, we can see clearly one description meta tag is added, which says this website is about Nuxt.js. So that's how you can work with the meta, and there are like lots of options which you can add here also. Just go to Nuxt.js documentation related to user head, and you can clearly see here all the other options which you can put, something like body attributes and script, and lots of other options also available which you can use. That's it for this video, guys, and in this video I just taught you how you can use head in your Nuxt.js project. See you in the next video. Bye bye.